Okay, that's some good vocabulary being used. I would like you to work on this problem, okay? And saying aloud whatever it's you're thinking and what you think this math problem means to you. What I want you to do is do some visualizing halves. And this, as a student, you must identify which diagrams have exactly half, okay? So we're going to start this little activity. So here it is, right here. So here's some cutouts. And just talk to me about it. Which ones do you think are half? The ones that you think are half, separate them. And the ones that you think are not, just put them to the side. So what ones do you see that are half so far?
I see all of these that are half. No, I see all of these that are halves because they all have two things. Even though they might not have the same amount, they're still halves.
Same amount of what, you think?
Same amount of each spare because it's only each space because it's only supposed to be two.
Supposed to be two. Why you say it's only supposed to be 2.5? Can you explain with more detail, please?
It's only supposed to be 2.5 because a half. This is a whole, and I split this.
Okay.
Then it's gonna be even.
Okay.
Two, and it's gonna be one piece right here and one piece right there.
Oh, who told you that strategy?
I learned it myself.
Okay. So can you separate the halves again and show me which ones already have half?
These have half, and these don't.
Oh, okay. Awesome. All right, good. So you said you found about that strategy yourself. So do you like visual math or visual images when you're doing your math?
I like visual math and English.
So what do you mean by that? Like, do you like your teacher writing things on a board for you can see and videos? How do you like to be taught math?
I like to be taught math in pictures and words.
Okay.
Pictures then words.
Okay. Let me ask you a question. Have your attitude about working on different problems changed since you've been in the 4th grade?
Actually, it has.
What do you mean by that? Can you give me a little bit more detail?
It has because in 3rd grade I used to get mad, stumped all over the place.
Okay.
But now in 4th grade, I am nice. I do my work easily.
Okay.
I do stuff calmly,
Okay.
and pretty much it.
So why do you think that you enjoy math now and in the 4th grade compared to when you were in the 3rd grade? What's changed? Has the teachers changed? Has the strategies changed, or have you got comfortable? Explain a little bit more detail for me.
One teacher has not changed, one has. The strategies has got easier since I was in 3rd grade.
You're in the 4th grade now, so how's the strategies changed since you've been in the 4th grade? Can you give me some examples?
Now I'm in the 4th grade. Stuff is getting harder and harder and harder and meaning, but in math, everything is easy.
But how do you mean it's easy? Can you give me some more details?
Everything is easy because I could solve some problems in some seconds.
Okay. So since you like solving problems, I would like you to solve this one. Can you solve this problem for me? And what I want you to do is, as you're solving it, tell me how you're solving it. And what I have is a beautiful big dry erase board for you. And what you can do is read this word problem for me.
Okay. Tommy made 6 rows of blocks with each row containing 8 blocks. How many blocks did Tommy have altogether?
Okay. So how would you solve this problem if you were in a classroom setting or if it was on your homework?
If it was on my homework or something like that, I would add the 6 and the 8, and then I would put my answer and solution and how I got the answer right here.
Okay. So you think you have to add that problem?
Yes, I do.
What vocabulary sticks out to you?
It is the blocks and containing. The blocks make me think of like adding.
Okay. So how would you write that down on the board? How would you do that?
I will put my
Well, you can take you can take off your top and try to show how what you do it.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 8 plus 6 is 14, so I will put my answer.
But what type of methods? Mm-hmm.
And then I will put blocks. Then I will put the solution down here.
Okay, so how would you do it another way? How would your teacher want you to do it? I know, how would your teacher want you to think about problem solving this answer?
I will show you in math form. So we usually do this. The higher number on the top and the lower number on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Now, we add both of them together, and then we put our answer at the bottom. So 8 plus 6 is 14. Then I put blocks by all of them.
So you write the word block out.
Yes.
Okay.
So
It's all right. Take your time. That's good. Very good. Notice taking your time. Okay. So what I want you to do is read that question over again. Read it again to yourself and out loud. Matter of fact, read it out loud.
Tommy made 6 rows of blocks
6 rows of blocks. Okay.
with each row containing 8 blocks.
Okay.
How many blocks did Tommy have altogether?
Let me see. Is it another way that you can solve this problem
Yes.
without using
Actually-
words?
Actually, it is.
Okay.
I can use words for this problem.
You can use words. Okay.
This is how I'm going to use words.
Words, numbers, whatever you want to use. Just try your best.
Tommy Tommy Tommy's blocks. Can't I write over here?
That's Tommy's blocks. Okay. So this is about Tommy. So how many blocks will Tommy have, you think?
First, I have to put 1 row,
Mm-hmm.
2 row,
Mm.
3 row,
Okay.
4 row, 6 row, 7 row, 8 row.
So it says, can you read the question again?
Tommy made 6 rows of blocks with each row containing 8 blocks.
Hmm?
How many blocks did Tommy have altogether? I'm doing it like this, since 8 is the thing, the highest number. So I will put 6 in each box,
Okay.
and then it's going to be 18.
Okay.
So I have to put 6 in each box.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, it's not going to be 14.
It's not. What's it's going to be?
I have to add all of it up when I put 6 in all of the boxes.
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
I have
Explain.
to count all of them in each box.
Okay, take your time and feel free to do that.
6, 12, 18, 24. The answer is actually 48.
The answer is actually 48. So you changed your answer. So why did you change your answer after getting what you say 14 or 18? You said down it's 48.
It's 48 because I thought the problem the other way around.
What did you thought you had to do at first with the problem?
I thought I just had to add 6 and 8.
Oh, but so why?
I was wrong.
Okay, so why did you try to do it the second way, a different way? What caused you to do it that way?
Caused me to do it that way is Tommy made 6 rows of blocks.
Mm-hmm.
With each row containing 8 blocks.
Oh.
That means Tommy
Yeah, get comfortable. Get comfortable. Enjoy math. Okay.
That means Tommy, and I have to write 8 rows.
So you said it was 40. Did the vocabulary, like we said, did the vocabulary help you?
Actually, the vocabulary did.
Okay.
I just noticed that.
So vocabulary is very helpful in math, you think?
Yes.
And so what else strategies? So you said vocabulary helped you and you drew what did you do, a picture? What is that? A picture?
Oh, this is like a tape diagram, but different.
Oh, okay, you did a diagram. Okay, I really like that, Mr. Dejon. I have one more question before we finish our interview. What I like to ask you is this. Is there anything else I should know about ways for you to understand problem solving and math in general as an upcoming teacher?
Actually, it is.
Okay.
Things you should know is you have to ask your students what is the answer if they get it right. You can congratulate them or something like that when they do wrong. That you can still congratulate them because they try their best. Also, if you have to, if you're like in 3rd grade or higher, you have to put a tape diagram on all of your things because that is helpful. And you also have to do word problems like adding, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all of that stuff. And also, if you don't know division, can I show you a division problem?
Sure, feel free. Show me a division problem. Whatever you think works. What strategies we can use to problem solve. Whatever works.
Oh. Divided by 9 equals.
Oh, that's how they teach you how to do division now in school. Okay, I did it a different way.
3 divided by 9. This is how you do it. 3 goes into 9 how many times? 3 times. So your answer will be 3. Put any number that goes into that number. How many times you have to? That's gonna be your answer.
Okay. I really enjoy that you love math, and thank you for letting me conduct this interview on you. I hope you succeed more math, and please come up with more strategies to help me teach you math. Thank you, Dejon.